Welcome to the vlog, our second vlog right here. Woo!
Vlog number 2.
Yes, we are very excited. Today we are stuck inside, rainy day. So
it's really gross.
We are staying inside for our second vlog ever, and we are gonna do what are we gonna do? Want to say it?
Sure. We're gonna do the best friend challenge. See how best of friends we really are.
Because we are really best friends, but we want to prove it to you guys.
Yes.
Because I don't know if you guys believe us yet.
Yeah, exactly. It's only been 2 vlogs.
Yeah. So this is our second one. So we gotta show you guys what we're made of. So yeah.
So
okay. So we're gonna do questions, and then we're gonna write down what we think each other's favorite thing is, or whatever like the answer to the question is, and then we're gonna see if it's actually right, and then we'll see just how well we know each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let's get started.
Let's see.
We have our paper.
Here. I'll paper, then we'll leave it here. We can go.
Okay.
And then we have 2 red notebooks. That school's done. You know, it doesn't matter anymore.
It doesn't matter
Because
nice
it's
little thing
over.
to write on.
Okay.
All right. Question number 1. Oh,
favorite color.
Favorite color.
Hi. I'm not positive because I can't remember. Hold on. Oh shoot, I just think, hold on, I saw something, but okay. Are you ready?
All right, ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
I couldn't remember. Mine is blue.
Yeah, mine is pink.
Okay,
yep,
good.
Good.
Woo! I can remember, I think your room is pink. I was like, I remember she painted it gray.
I did.
Okay, we'll
pink is still my favorite.
Okay.
All right.
Number 2.
All right, number 2, favorite food.
I know what my favorite food is. Food, not dessert, okay?
Okay.
Like, yeah. My favorite dessert is chocolate.
Me too.
Okay.
Okay. I think.
I mean, I don't know. Okay.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Ready?
I do love chicken nuggets.
I do love tacos.
I think my favorite is tacos.
I think mine would be, I don't know, probably pizza.
Oh, okay. Well,
we both like these foods though,
neither
so that's a good start.
tacos. My senior quote for the year is, "I live off tacos." So, I think me and Mary, although I do love chicken nuggets, so I mean, it's a win anyway.
It is. Do you favorite pizza topping since we were talking about pizza?
Yeah, okay, favorite pizza toppings,
right.
it is.
All right, ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Yes! I love cheese.
Cheese.
I eat cheese on everything. Okay,
All right.
let's see. Okay. Do you sleep with your socks on?
Oh.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I sleep with my socks on.
I do too.
Oh, well.
Well, you got it right.
I got it right. That was
a hard one.
Close, yeah.
Crocs or Birkenstocks?
Oh. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Crocs.
Yeah, Crocs.
Yes.
Crocs always. Crocs for the
Crocs.
win.
Technically, I only own Firks.
Yeah,
big Crocs.
me too.
But, you know, those are still good, but nothing compares to the Crocs I wear every day to school.
Me too. With my fuzzy socks.
Guilty pleasures right there.
Yeah.
With fuzzy socks. To everyone out there, it is okay to wear fuzzy socks and Crocs in May.
In May.
Or June or July.
Because in Chicago, you never know. It was 88 last week, and today it's like 51.
It is 50 and freezing. So
that is Croc and fuzzy sock weather, if you're asking me.
It is. I have my fuzzy socks on now.
Yep, me too.
Woo! Hey, we both have our yours. Oh, I was going to wear those. Oh, my gosh. Okay.
Okay.
Pancakes or waffles?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
I like waffles.
I like pancakes.
Oh, man, we guess our own favorite.
Yeah.
There's this video on the internet about a girl crying about waffles. That girl is my inner soul. I think that girl is literally me as a 5-year-old.
Literally me too.
Okay.
I do love my pancakes though.
I know.
Chocolate chip.
Always.
Cruise or backpacking?
Let's see. Okay.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1. Yes.
Cruise all the way.
Always
we love
cruise.
cruising.
I think backpacking is just a little too much walking for me.
It's a little too much effort. I would
I like
to lay
sitting
by
at the pool or go flow riding. And I love cruises because all the food is free.
Oh, yeah.
And there's ice
Go get
cream
as
every
much ice cream
day.
as you want.
And there's
Taco bar.
amazing like I got taco bar. Yeah,
My
literally.
favorite.
Oh my gosh, I just can't wait to go to cruise summer.
I love cruises.
Okay.
All right.
Favorite movie.
Ooh.
Don't worry, I have a lot of favorite movies, so if you guess one of them,
Okay.
it counts. Ready?
Okay.
Let go.
What's that movie
Hey,
called?
yeah,
Is that right?
that is a good one. Yeah, that's honestly the best movie. Endless Love. Greatest Showman.
Yeah.
Is there any other favorite movies?
I do like La La Land.
Yeah, that was my next guess.
All Disney movies are good.
And I like Greatest Showman as well. This Is
Yeah.
Me, and every song in that movie
Every
is just
song
amazing.
is just really, really
So,
good,
I
too.
mean, you should watch it if you don't. I give it a
it's
5
so
out of
good.
5-star
So
review.
good. We saw it like 4 times.
Yeah,
in the
and we
theater.
learned the dance. You should
And
look
we
it
learned
up.
the dance.
It's not that hard. It just
No.
is really confusing at first, but you just gotta like,
Persevere.
yeah. Okay, let's do 2 more.
Sure.
Okay.
Sweat or shiver? Ooh.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yes. Okay, I spelled it right. I would rather sweat.
I would rather shiver because you
Man.
can always put layers on. You can't take
Yeah, I
layers off
just
when you
like
sweat.
sweating because then I don't know. I don't know why I like sweating. I just hate being cold. Okay.
All right, let's do one more.
Disney or Universal?
Oh yeah, that's
Disney
a good
or
one.
Universal. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Disney
Yes!
all the way. We love Disney.
We love Disney
so much.
That's gonna be on our bucket list. Go to Disney together because I love my little characters.
Yep, me too.
All right, so I think
right.
we do know each other pretty well.
We do.
I
We did
think-
pretty
I did
well.
pretty good.
Pretty
so
impressive.
I mean, if you don't believe us by now, well, that sucks.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we're good friends.
Yes.
Very good friends. So next on our to-do list, we are graduating this week. We graduate Saturday. A little tear, you know. So we are going to give you the do's and don'ts of senior year.
Because we've lived it now.
Yeah.
And now we're experts.
We are very much experts on it, and trust me, I have learned a lot through senior year. So, you want to start?
Sure. Okay.
I gotta yeah.
Maybe our
Put
list.
it up. We made a list.
All
We're
right.
ready.
So, first on your list, do get matching Croc gibbets. Because
We
we
do.
love our Crocs, as you know.
We have matching
And
gibbets.
we do have matching gibbets. Yeah, we have Olaf and a princess.
Oh, princess. I think it's Princess Sophia from Disney Channel.
Probably is, but it's a princess
It's because
nonetheless.
we're princesses,
Yeah.
you know?
Mhm.
Don't feel bad about treating yourself to ice cream whenever you feel down because senior year is about living life, you know?
It really is. Like, if you want to go to Starbucks on the way home and get yourself
Yeah.
a $5 venti, like,
do it.
do it. I
Go
did it
low.
the other day. It was great.
Yeah, I know. I do it all the time. It's really bad, but it's okay.
Yeah, I spent a lot of money there.
Yeah.
Do watch The Greatest Showman, as we said. We love The Greatest Showman.
So
love
good.
Zac Efron and Zendaya and the whole cast.
Yes. So good.
Yeah,
It's
seen it many times.
amazing.
We just watched it in psychology. It was great.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing. Also, don't feel bad about wearing fuzzy socks and Crocs, especially when it's May. We've done it all year. We have them on right now.
Yep, right now.
No,
And it's
just-
May. What, May, like what? 21st?
Yeah, don't forget that school is not the fashion show of Miss
No.
America. So, and I love Crocs, and they're fashionable. I don't know what I'm
Yes.
talking about.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
They're breathable. They don't make your feet
Exactly.
sweat. Like,
They're light, you know?
waterproof.
Exactly. It's a win-win-win.
It is. Do binge watch This Is Us and Fixer Upper. We love Fixer Upper so much. So upset it ended. And This Is Us just
Yeah.
warms my heart. Makes me
Really
want to cry
good.
every time
Really
I
good.
watch it. My love Ventimiglia, my love.
Yes. Honestly, don't feel bad watching any show. You
No.
know, you can watch
Any
any show you
show.
like, but those are our favorites. So
Yeah.
don't stress. Don't stress too much because senior year is only a one-time thing. So I have learned and lived through it, and I know that don't stress too much because it will just. You can always reassess.
Yes. Which is so bad. So bad. Such a terrible mindset to have. But
Yeah.
honestly, like, whatever you gets you through
Yeah,
it,
it's
you know?
okay. You know, y'all gonna make it to college if you can.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Do wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning to watch the royal wedding.
Yes.
I did it on Saturday. I watched it for 5 hours in the morning, and then I watched all the TLC specials on it, and then I watched it again on Sunday when it was replaying. So
Mary watched it for the both of us.
I
on
watched
this
it for a
one.
long time.
I watched it when I woke up at 10 a.m.
I felt like a zombie, but it was worth it. You know, I
So-
lived through history. Like, I watched history unfold on TV.
Exactly, yeah. I watched it when I woke up, and it was still very good. So, you know.
Yes.
All right. Don't forget or get in the mindset that senior year is a blow-off class. It is
It's
not.
not a blow-off, let me tell
It is
you.
very difficult, especially if you're in AP classes like me and Mary.
Yeah.
Why did I do this to myself?
I don't know. Me
But
too.
it was pretty rough.
It's a struggle.
But just know you gotta get through it.
You will get through it. Do stop and get hot chocolate on the way home from school.
Yes.
We love hot chocolate.
Yeah.
And we love our gas station hot
And
chocolate.
you get a free one when you buy 10.
Which for us is pretty easy.
Pretty easy to do when you get it almost every day after school. So yeah.
And it's nice and cheap. It's like, what, $1.50?
Yeah.
What a deal.
Don't miss out on prom because it's very fun. And we went twice.
Is very fun. Let me tell you.
It is very exciting, and who doesn't love an opportunity to get dressed up and look cute and take pictures?
Yeah.
So, you know,
Honestly, and eat good food.
yeah.
And good cake.
Oh,
And party all night.
so good. So good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't even read that. I'm so
know.
blind.
Me too.
Do take lots of pictures.
Yeah.
we love taking pictures. We love
We have lots of cute poses.
We
too.
do. Our picture poses, like, on Pinterest, we have a
Yes.
whole file.
I have 978 poses saved on my Pinterest account. So
That's a lot.
go follow that and
Yeah.
these are cute poses because I have lots of them saved. They're really cute.
They are good.
Okay. Don't come home from a college visit without any college gear. Oh,
Sorry.
Suri
My-
is in our vlog.
She wants to,
Suri wants to say hi.
Why won't it go off?
Ah.
Okay, there we go.
Well, yeah. Well, there you go. Suri wants to include that. Don't
Yep.
come home from a college visit without gear because I have lots of college gear and it's very nice.
Yep. Like Michigan?
Michigan.
Not even going there. Don't really even
I
care.
don't have any college gear, but I have a lot. I have like 15 shirts. It's really bad.
Mm-hmm.
So you can always use them. You know.
Always. Do tell lots of jokes and puns. We love our puns. We love our jokes. Taylor tells her little puns every day. I tell
I
my
do.
friends a joke every day. It makes us laugh. It's a little positive in the day.
Here, I'll tell you a pun right now.
Oh,
Okay,
goodness.
ready?
Okay.
I'll spoil my grad one I'm doing for my speech. Okay, so, oh wait, that's not a pun. Okay, well, my favorite pun ever is, what is a donut's favorite joke?
What?
He do not have one.
Oh my god.
Get it? Because he's a donut.
Donut.
Donut. Yeah, that's my favorite. I'm sorry, people. You have to
We love
deal
our
with me.
jokes.
Okay, don't feel bad about coming home and taking a nap after school because school is very exhausting, and you
It
know,
really is.
taking a nap you should never feel bad about. You know, appreciate them.
Yeah, you're helping your circadian rhythm.
Exactly, psychology right there.
Psychology.
People. Psychology is all around
We do
us.
pay attention in school.
Thank you, Miss Besh.
Yeah,
and best
shout out to
friend.
Miss Bash. Do watch High School Musical.
Yes,
we
especially-
love High School Musical.
Especially High School Musical 3, because senior
Senior
year is
year.
all it's about.
We are High School Musical, honestly. Like,
I know. Me
we
and
work at
Mary-
a golf course. That's High School Musical 2 right
Two,
there.
right there. Literally, me and Mary are everyone who works there. I can't think of any names, but Gabriella. And what's her best friend's name? Taylor. Oh my god, that's my name. So there you go.
There you go. It works.
And yeah. Oh, and then don't drink your hot chocolate, which you get after school, without a straw. They're very good. Mary got me these really good straws that are reusable. They are the best thing in the world. I'm telling you. These should be like on Shark Tank because it's great. It's perfect. So yeah.
Yeah.
Those are our do's and don'ts of senior year.
Yeah.
We will have more for graduation when we actually graduate.
For sure.
And walk across the stage. And let me tell you, one of the don'ts I would say is don't trip on stage.
Oh, that would be
Biggest
bad.
fear. So yeah. So those are our do's and don'ts.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys make it through senior year alive.
Yes.
Like
we did.
We made it.
It was a struggle, but we made it.
We are crawling to the finish line.
We are.
But
barely crawling.
we will
but
pass it and we will get our nice little medal
Pass
as
it
we
with
finish.
stride, yes.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So, being a seniors, we all have our grad party. So, my grad party is coming up, and we are doing do-it-yourself grad party decorations and stuff. So, I'm gonna go grab those. So, I will be back.
Yes.
Okay, we are back,
All right.
and we are making table decorations. Yes. Okay. So, the things you're gonna need. First off, you're gonna need some sort of pictures that you wanna put on the tables and stuff. Yes, I've already done some. Very cute. Mary's in this one right here.
Oh, yep. There's me.
Right there. That's us.
That's us.
Okay, what else
All
do we
right.
need?
Did we say paper?
No, paper.
Oh, we need paper.
If you wanna back
Paper,
it.
blue, red.
You're gonna need some sticks. I just got these at Hobby Lobby for like $2, like 24 of them. And then that way you can like stick them in the little container.
Yep. Let's get a jar.
Oh, jars.
Mason jar. Look how cute these are. Tailor friendly to Hobby Lobby.
On sale.
On sale for $1.50.
Which is only 50 cents more than the one I got at the dollar store for $1. So I mean, and then you're also gonna need little paper clip. What are these called? Not paper clips.
Clothespins. Mini clothespins.
These are mini ones. You can get any size, but I like the mini ones. They're really cute and stuff. And we just stick them on the end, so you know, easy.
Very cute.
And then we got little.
Like the basket filling stuff?
Yeah, we're using these like put on the bottom of it to make it look pretty. You don't need them, just an extra.
Yeah.
Extra thing. And then hot glue. Or I mean, I guess you use tape too.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Hot glue is my friend though because it's really fast drying and I'm very impatient. And ribbon if you want to decorate more.
For around the jar.
So for these jars, they are red and blue because I'm going to Kansas, so we're sticking with that theme. Blue.
Yes.
So, but you can do any color you want or anything. So that's why my favorite red and blue also. So yeah, we're gonna get started.
Yeah. Taylor, show us.
Okay, so first we're gonna put pictures on some cardstock. So I got this from Hobby Lobby, like I said, different colors, and you just tape it on. So I'm ready to do this one, so I'm just gonna cut these out, and I'll show you which one I'm gonna do. So we're just gonna go like this. I'm just gonna cut with a little border. I am not a person that has really straight cuts, but it's okay because is anyone really gonna notice?
No.
Okay, so it's very cute. And then all we do, I forgot to say, so what we do is take this hot glue gun, and I just hot glued a little piece of this little clothespin. It's gonna go shoo all the way down, and then you stick it on and you hold it without burning yourself for like 20 seconds. It's really easy. And then it's dry, and then all you do then, it's really nice, is you take the picture and you just put it in.
Clip it right on.
And this is just one, and then you can just stick them in a jar.
So cute.
That one's not really working, but we have to cut the sticks down also, so that's a process for another day with my dad because he's good at that stuff. So you come down to like, I would say, you can estimate, but I would say probably, that's like 2 inches. I would come down like 2 inches, 2 or 3 inches, however tall you want them. And that way they're not sticking out so much and they won't fall back. And then you kind of put the little stuff in it and it's super easy. Cute. You can do multiple pictures too, but that's just one picture. Super easy, right? Am I right?
Yes, you are right. So right.
Yeah, so that is one and we're going to do multiple.
Step number 1.
Yes. Okay.
Of many. All right. So we are going to make these now.
Cheers. Okay. Pictures.
Yes, we have lots.
Lots of pictures. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of these. You want to put some on? I'll put some on too.
Sure.
And we're going to start putting them on. So, I don't know. This one, I'm just going to...
Just kind of clip it on.
Yeah, they don't have to be perfect. And they might be a little heavy because the sticks are a little long right now. But I'll try to even it out.
For a bit.
Like, look how cute that is. And then you put it in a little jar.
Ooh.
And then what I'm going to do, I don't know why I'm going to do it, but I'm going to put them in and then do like friends or my sister or my family.
Very cute idea.
Ah! Ooh. Let's go in front. And then they're going to be on the table, their graduation, so you can look at all the cute pictures I'm in. And all my friends and my family, you know. They get some part too.
Yes. Very cute.
Super, super cute. I like them.
Yes, it was a good idea. Thanks, Taylor, for your DIY.
Thank you for helping me out. And we hope you guys had an amazing time today.
Yes.
On our rainy day.
Yes, make sure...
We did not spend at school.
Oh, yeah, we were not at school today. We
so,
just were rebels.
I know. We were on a college visit.
College visit.
Wink, wink.
Yes. So, yeah, like, subscribe. Comment.
Comment below.
Only nice
comment things you want us to do.
Yeah, talk
this
about.
Summer, because as soon as we graduate, we are going to be living the life.
We are living the life.
So we're going to be going lots of places. So comment below some of your favorite places to go and see. And yeah, and I think we hope you have safe travels.